Hello guys, Colonel Ninny here, and today I'm flying on the EU server. Much of the air and ground fighting is done down a central corridor, so you're sure to have lots of opponents. It's a great server if you want to practice trying to stay alive. So as I establish my climb, I look over to the left and see a lot of aircraft. So to make sure I have the energy advantage, I'm going to fly away from them and climb up and then turn around and come back. I took off with 136 liters, which should give me an airborne time of about 20 minutes and keep me as agile as possible due to reduced weight. I've reached my altitude. I'm in no rush to get there, so I am now going to reduce the power to conserve my fuel. Up ahead at about 1 o'clock from the nose, I see a potential target. He appears to be about the same altitude and heading away, so I'm going to climb up to try to get the energy advantage over him. Now it's time for me to look around to make sure that I'm not going to become a target before I make my decision to attack. So I'm gaining on him quickly, which means he's turned around towards me. He may have seen me. So that's my target, but what about the other threats? See them up there to the left? The question is, how far away are they, and are they interested in me? It doesn't look like it, so I'm going to start an attack on this other aircraft. I almost left it too late there. But I have the energy advantage. I'm anticipating he will do a turn from left to right, but I'm wrong. He cuts it in tight, and I react too late. And this is where I make a fatal mistake. I failed to keep a good lookout, and now this guy's on my tail. With his energy advantage, I cannot outclimb him, but I can outdive him. A quick look at the map tells me that my home base is to the southwest, and that's the direction in which I'm going to dive to get away from him. He's still behind me, but he won't be able to catch me. I black out momentarily and get back on the ball. He's still with me, and I've got to turn to the southwest. So I'm just going to dive as fast as I can. And he's decided not to pursue the attack, which is great for me. Now I can assess my damage. The airframe held together at 700 clicks, so that should be good, but I am losing fuel, so I'm going to reduce the power. And there's my airfield over to the right. According to the airfield icon, it is presently under attack, which is not good for me. The only aircraft I see is a friendly taking off, so I'm going to commit to a landing. I always approach the airfield at high speed so I can get on the ground as fast as possible. Gears down, going to full flap, and we'll do a slight side slip to the right. So a quick review of my mistake. I failed to keep a lookout and see the second aircraft approach. I also underestimated the turning ability of my first opponent and his skill. I should have climbed away to regain the energy advantage or find another target. We'll add a little power just to make sure that the aircraft is not damaged to the point where it will stall on the threshold. It's not a pretty landing, but we're down. There are 2 enemy aircraft up ahead, but they're not a threat to me at this stage. So, no rush to shut everything down. So the takeaway from this is that although I had the initial energy advantage, I blew it because I failed to keep a good lookout and I got pounced. This time I was lucky. Thanks for watching, guys. If you've enjoyed this video, found it helpful, please like it or subscribe. Or if there's another topic you'd like me to cover,